Welcome back to my channel. First, I have to apologize for the diagram, but the question says that each of this circle is supposed to be a unit circle. So it simply means that the radius of each of them is equal to 1. All right. Now, the question says we should find the area of this shaded portion. Now, first of all, let us complete this. The radius of the circle, each of them is 1, right? So that means that if I join the center like this, from here to here, if I join the center, okay, and also join the center from here to here, like I said, please pardon the drawing, all right, and also join the center from here to here, all right. Now, because we are told that each of them is a unit circle, so it simply means that from here to here is the radius of this particular circle. That means from here to here is 1, right? Similarly, from here to here is this radius of the second circle, so here is 1 as well. The same thing, from here to here is another radius, which is 1. From here to here is another radius, which is 1. All right. Similarly, from here to here is a radius 1, and from here to here is another radius 1. Now, shall we draw out this triangle? If we draw this triangle out, we are going to have something like this. Not drawn to scale, please. This is not drawn to scale. Okay, this is what we are going to have as our triangle. Now, from here to here will be 1 plus 1, which will give us 2, right? Then from here to here is 2 again. From here to here is 2 again. Now, if I decide to drop a perpendicular from here to this place, all right, though this is not drawn to scale, or let me first of all turn this triangle so that we have a different triangle, the same triangle, but let's turn it. Okay, so I'm redrawing the same triangle. Now this is 2, right? From here to here is 2, from here to here is 2, from here to here is 2, and if I drop a straight line, I'll be forming a perpendicular that will divide this one into 2 equal parts. So this place will be 1, this place is 1. All right, now where am I driving at? First, let's go back to the question so that we understand what we are trying to do here. The question said that we should find the area of the shaded portion. Now, the area of the shaded portion is going to be, if we find the area of this triangle, okay, we find the area of the triangle, we are going to subtract. These are sectors of a circle, right? So this is a sector, this is a sector, and this is a sector. Now, these are supposed to be equal. Assuming I drew this to scale, these, all of them, 3 of them should be equal. So if we get the area of one of this sector, we multiply it by 3 to get the area of the 3 sectors. Okay, so let's say area of the 3 sectors to be AS. All right, now if we subtract area of the 3 sectors from the area of this triangle, we're going to get the area of the shaded portion. Now, area of a triangle is half base times height. Okay, now area of a triangle, which is AT, okay, is equal to half of the base times the height. Now, if you look at this triangle, we have the base, which is 2, but we don't have the height, so we really need to get the value of the height. Now you see why we are trying to use this to get the value of h. Okay, now you know what we're about to do. Now we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Remember the Pythagoras theorem? It states that if you have a right angle triangle, this side, which is the longest side, is our hypotenuse, or the side facing the right angle is our hypotenuse. Let's call the other sides A and B. Now, according to Pythagoras, h squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Okay, all right, now area of a triangle, now area of this triangle should be half base times height. Now let's get h using this. Now, okay, this is also right angle, the hypotenuse is this 2, so it means that 2 squared is equal to this side plus this side, right? So 1 squared plus h squared. Okay, so we now have 2 squared minus 1 squared is equal to h squared. So 2 squared is 4 minus 1 squared is 1 is equal to h squared. Okay, so we now have 3 is equal to h squared. So to get the value of h, we take square root of both sides. of the equation. So square root of 3 is equal to square root of h squared. Now this we cancel this, so we have that h is equal to square root of 3. So now that we have found the value of our h, okay, let's go back to this. It means that the area of the triangle is equal to half base times height. So it's going to be half times our base. The base of the triangle is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So it's going to be half times 2 times the height. Now the height is root 3, okay? So times root 3. Now this we divide this, and we have that area of the triangle is equal to root 3. Now we have found 1. Remember that we need area of the sectors, okay, the sum of the area of these sectors. Now first of all, remember that this is what? An equilateral triangle. And if this is an equilateral triangle, it simply means that each theta here is 60 degrees, right? This is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees. So each of this sector is a sector of angle 60 degrees. Now let's go back. Let's first of all remember the area of a sector. Area of a sector is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Theta over 360 times pi r squared. Now let's find area of one sector. If we find area of one sector, then we multiply it by 3 to get the area of the 3 sectors, okay? So remember that our theta is 60, right? So we have this to be equal to 60 divided by 360 times pi times now r squared. Remember that the radius of each of this sector is 1, okay? So it's going to be times 1 squared. So if we solve this further, we have 6, we divide itself 1, divide 36 to give us 6. So we have 1 over 6 times pi times 1, okay? So this is equal to pi over 6, right? So that means the area of one of the sectors is pi over 6. So to get the area of the 3 sectors, okay, area of the 3 sectors. But before that, if this is the first time you are seeing us, click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos every day, so tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. So area of 3 sectors will now be equal to, if area of one sector is pi over 6, we now multiply it by 3. So 3 will divide itself, 1 divide this 2, so we have pi over 2 as area of the 3 sectors. Now recall that area of the shaded portion, this is equal to area of the triangle minus area of the 3 sectors. So we have that area that we are looking for is area of the triangle minus area of the 3 sectors. Now remember that the area of the triangle, we got it to be root 3, right? See it here, area of the triangle is equal to root 3. So it means that the area is equal to root 3 minus area of these 3 sectors, which is pi over 2. So that means area is this same thing as root 3 over 1 minus pi over 2. Now the area is equal to, the LCM is 2. Alright, now when 1 divides 2, we have 2. So we have 2 multiplied by root 3 minus, when 2 divides 2, we have 1 multiplied by pi. So we have area is equal to 2 root 3 minus pi divided by 2. Do we still have anything to do here? No, I don't think so. So this becomes the final answer with pi, or in terms of pi. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.